First, there's a screw on the bottom side, on the right, close to the USB port. Remove that one first. Next, there are two hidden screws above the touchpad, right under the click buttons. The easiest way is to start from this side. I'm using a metal pry tool to lift the keyboard because this laptop is mine and I'm not worried about scratches, but it's better to use a plastic tool if you want to avoid any damage. And finally, the standard ribbon cables, just like on any laptop keyboard.
Removing the screws, skipping the obvious part. After all the screws are removed, use a thin pry tool to start. After that, a thicker one makes it easier to release the clips along the entire edge. These are the screws you need for disassembly. For basic maintenance, only the cooler. Next step is to disconnect all cables one by one. Pry up the metal retention clip from the side, then pull the connector straight back using the retention clip. The speakers connector next. Battery connector. This is the correct method, and then there's my method. I don't recommend the second. Disconnect the battery first to relieve tension on the connector. Next is the touchpad ribbon cable. Avoid metal tools. This shows how damage can happen. Here it's safe because this is a thick plastic pull tab made for this purpose. Still, don't assume everything is idiot-proof. BIOS battery connector. Next, the power button ribbon cable. LCD display connector. It has a pull tab for lifting it up. If the tab breaks, use the same method as with the other connectors. Gently wiggle from both sides and pull up with tools. To free the motherboard from the hinge, I usually open the laptop slightly first, then remove the motherboard. I didn't remove the hinge screws on the other side. It's not necessary just to take the board out. In the next step, those screws are removed to separate the top and bottom case. I slightly open the laptop to release the hinge. I'm not separating the case to avoid rerouting the Wi-Fi antennas. At this point, it's essentially already in two parts. That's it. If you liked the video, subscribe, give it a like and leave a comment. That means a lot to me. Many more videos like this are coming. Thanks for watching.